Hello everyone, welcome you all to my online class of e-commerce. In this video, we are going to discuss social, ethical and political issues in e-commerce. Social, political and ethical issues in e-commerce. E-commerce has been significantly growing ever since 1990, and now nearly all retail business are in leverage of their sales through websites. If you are considering to start an e-commerce website for you already have an existing site, you should know that e-commerce can bring you many benefits. However, there are also challenges in e-commerce that you may encounter sooner or later in the course of your business, such as ethical problems. Ethical issues, a problem or a situation that requires a person or an organization to choose between alternative that must be evaluated as a right or wrong. These are some ethical issues in e-commerce: theft of information, poor services, switches and baits, intellectual property theft. First, we discuss theft of information. Nowadays, it is not hard for hackers to attack and access vital information through the internet. Most customers do transaction by filling out forms with their personal information such as names, address, email address, birth date, etc. information. Since cash cannot be used online, it is impractical to write and send a check, and so they use credit cards. They transfer card numbers, security code, expiration date over the internet. This is where theft is possible. Now, second is poor services. Online retailer could ship counterfeit or damaged goods to their customers or even fail to deliver any product at all. They may fail or refuse to give credit to their customer who return the purchase. Online sellers may fail in protecting the shipment of goods and choose to refer taking responsibility for damage. Being irresponsible is one of the indication of a poor service, and this is common problem and complaint in the e-commerce industry. Now third one is switches and baits. In e-commerce, online sites and sellers are given the opportunity to massive email promotions to many potential customer, which means there is a high risk for scams and spams. Sellers are often advertising great deals on latest gadgets and attract the curious consumers to sites that do not offer such products. Some often offer baits and switches to get your personal information, reducing that you can earn money through home based employment. So, consumers will eventually find out that they are paying for ebook courses that are actually not happening, cause large debit on their bank account. Third one, intellectual property theft. That is the basic copy and paste action enables anyone who has the access to the internet to copy original works of other directly, such as artwork, text, photos, musics and ideas. Their intellectual properties move from their creator to copier without granting permission for shout or use. Social issues. Social issues encompass issues that a small to representative group of people within a society disagree with or find undesirable. Social issues are security and privacy. Customer will scared that he will be cheated by the seller because they have apprehension about the product, whether it is good or bad. Customer transfer the money to the seller, then they won't send the product to the customer. Second one is shipping issue. Security and privacy. Let's discuss this. I will discuss the issue for e-commerce is security and privacy. It is the most important issue for e-commerce because without security and privacy, the customer will scared get cheated by the seller. For example, the customer will scare the seller products whether is good or bad because they just saw the picture of the product over the internet, so the customer don't know whether the product are good or bad, so they scared the seller will passed up a bad things to sell at internet. Another example Another example is scared after the customer transfer the money to the seller, then they won't send the product to the customer. Other than this two example, they still have another example is the customer don't know the actual price at marketing and the seller just simply set up the price and did not follow the marketing price to gain their profit more than market price, such as double or triple from the market price. These three examples will be impact of society because if the seller fraud the buyer, then the society become lower standard. IT department say that e-commerce is not good in use on internet to do business because the buyer get cheat by the seller and they want online to purchase the product again, and they would rather buy the product on making by finding the product themselves. Thank you.